Hey guys, the error HTTP2 protocol error in Chrome or Edge browser means that something went wrong in the HTTP2 communication between your browser and the server. Specifically, the protocol was not followed correctly or was interrupted. So to fix this issue, open the Chrome browser, go to Settings, click on Privacy and Security, clear browsing data, and choose your preferred time range. Uncheck browsing history and make sure cookies and other site data and cached images and files are selected. Then click on Clear Data. Now open a new tab and go to this Chrome extension command. Toggle off all the extension and reload the problematic website. If it works, enable extension one by one to find the culprit. If doesn't work, proceed to the next step. Open a new tab and go to Chrome Flags. Search for Quick and set Experimental Quick Protocol to Disabled. Now relaunch your browser. Once all done, close your browser and proceed to the final step. Go to Windows, type cmd and run the command prompt as administrator. Once it opens, run these 4 commands one by one to fix this issue properly. So the first command is ipconfig // DNS and press the enter button to execute it. The second command is ipconfig // release and press enter. The third one is ipconfig // renew and press enter. And last command is nets Winsock reset and press the enter button. After running all these commands, type exit and press enter to close the CMD window. Now recheck your website and your problem should be gone.